Hi, my name is Ronnie. I live outside of Chattanooga, Tennessee, and just recently screened my deck using the SNAPP PVC extrusions, and just wanted to show you the final product here. The deck was, again, already built. At least the two walls were built. I had to finish the one wall my door is, but really pleased with this product. I spent a lot of time online studying different types of products, different types of installations, and really came to the conclusion this was the best to work with. My deck was already built, so I had to do a little bit of modification here. I took a Dremel. Actually, I found the Dremel to be my best tool to use. I took a Dremel and just cut out these little 2x6s are on the top, or that would set inside there, and even can cut the back side of the extrusion just a little bit, and that sets very flush, a very clean, flush look. The screen after being installed is very tight. Really pleased with that. A clean look, a very professional look. I ended up butting my corners and was pleased with the way they turned out as well. Again, a couple weekends, this product, a few hours at a time, working by myself. I did all of this. It was all a one-man operation, and didn't have any trouble at all. Up on a ladder and step ladder. This is the wall that I ended up having to build on my deck. I'm still in the process of needing to get my door in, which will come soon, but I wanted to show the screening project because I feel like it worked out very, very well. Again, just pleased with the flush application of things. Very clean on the floor and around on the inside. Let me just show you here. The things are very tight, just right up to the edge. So very pleased with the product. Would use it again. Would recommend it to those who are seeking to do some of the same things.